Hello everyone, in this video I will be demonstrating how the Schulup CBT offline mode works. Okay, so you will need internet to schedule the test normally online, and then it is at the point where internet is needed most that you don't actually need it when the children want to write exams, that's the student and the learners. So once you've scheduled, you come to the student end as I'm about doing, and then you sign into the student end and then click a button to download the test for offline mode for them to write exams without internet. So here is a test that have been scheduled already. This is a student and as I click this button the test is going to open, and all I need to do is click on this button for the test to be downloaded. Now the test have been downloaded successfully for offline use, so I can then turn off my internet. Which I'm about to do. Okay, disconnected my internet connection now. Then I'll then go to start the test. So I'll go to offline test, and then I'll start the test by clicking start, and the test will start to run. Okay, but before I do that, let me explain this syncing answers. So once internet is back, this sync is going to happen automatically. Once the system senses internet, the test is going to be synced back online and the result is going to show. So once I click this start button, I can now start taking the test offline. So this is midterm test offline mode. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start my offline test. Okay, so one of this is the reason why British occupied Nigeria was to propagate it last belief. So I can now just start providing my answers and moving on. Okay, my timer is counting down, so I continue. Once I'm done with all my exams, all the questions, I can go ahead and submit and confirm submit. Once the exams is submitted, what happens next is your answers are safely stored offline, but they automatically sync when internet is available, and you'll be notified once the submission is complete. So if I turn the child can just submit and then leave the lab. Then once internet is back, this result will be synced on the portal automatically. So let me also demonstrate that shortly. So I'm going to turn back my internet on. I'm connecting my internet back. Okay, so internet is connected and the sync has happened automatically. Okay, so I can check my sync status. All answers have been synced successfully, and I can actually check my result at this point. So if I go back here to the test that I've done, I can check the result, view the result, and the result shows what I have obtained. Okay, so that's how the exams happened offline. Thank you.